Today I'm going to introduce everyone to a concept board about the theme of time travel. The first step is to type the command start and choose the character you want to embody. Then, the chatbot will return a list of themes for us to choose from. After we select a theme, the chatbot will generate 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts. But before creating those 5 images, we first need to create the main character of the story. I'll leave the character creation form here. Once the main character is created, we'll copy each image prompt one by one, paste them into the generation tool, and attach the reference character image we created in the previous step. After generating all 5 images, we'll use those 5 images together with the 5 video prompts to create 5 videos. The final step is to import everything into a video editing software. In my case, I use CapCut to edit and refine the videos we've created.
Reset!
The smell!
The smell! Oh God, it's 1348! They're locking them inside! The Black Death just hit London! I need to get out of here right now! I just saw a plague doctor. This is insane! This is actually happening! There's no medicine, no hospitals! If I catch this, I'm dead! How do I trigger the transition back? My phone has no signal. There is no help coming. I'm stuck in the worst year in human history.